Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use Microsoft Lists step by step. Microsoft Lists is a smart information tracking app in Microsoft 365 that helps you organize work, manage tasks, and keep track of important information easily. So let's get started. You can access Microsoft Lists from Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, or directly within SharePoint. First, open Microsoft 365 and select the App Launcher. From there, click on All Apps and then select Lists. If you don't see the Lists app right away, simply use the search box to search for Lists. Once you're inside Microsoft Lists, click on Create New to get started. Here, you have several options. You can create a list from scratch, import table data from Excel, or reuse the formatting from another existing list. For this tutorial, we'll use the Issue Tracker template. Take a moment to scroll through the preview and see how the list looks with sample data. When you're ready, click Use Template. Now, enter a name for your list. You'll notice the list is set to My Lists, which means it will be saved in your personal storage. Once everything's ready, click Create. And just like that, your Microsoft list is ready to use. To add information, click New and fill out the form with your details. When you're finished, simply click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created and started using Microsoft Lists. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft 365 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.